The Tor Pro from Aerocool is a high-performance full-tower gaming case that comes with stunning tempered glass front and side panels to showcase the inside of your system. For cooling, it comes with 4 included 140mm Edge RGB fans, 3 on the front and 1 in the back of the case, which not only make this case look great, but are really easy to control too. You have 3 options for this: the RGB LED control button on the top of the case, a remote control, or addressable RGB motherboard. The 10-port RGB hub allows you to connect up to 10 addressable RGB fans and any other LED accessories, whilst the motherboard connector supports addressable RGB motherboards with Asus Aura Sync, MSI Mystic Light Sync and Gigabyte RGB Fusion. In addition to the included 4 fans, the Tor Pro gives you endless options for versatile cooling, supporting both air and liquid options. It features a 10-port control hub with PWM functions, incredible storage and support for the majority of motherboards and high-end graphics cards up to 383mm. It also offers support for cooling your graphics card and has removable dust filters at the top and bottom of the case for fast cleaning. The I/O panel on the top of the case gives you quick access to the LED control button, and for connectivity it has 2 USB 3.0 ports, 2 USB 2.0 ports, HD audio and mic ports. You can buy yours now at scan.co.uk.